Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2021 23-foot Trifecta that we just got in on trade. Beautiful boat. It's got the nice big front seat area here with the loungers. Nice C grade flooring, in-floor storage, dual captain's chairs, elevated helm, Simrad, wet sounds stereo and phone charger, so pretty sweet stereo system. This does have the cladded tower with wet sound speakers up top. Then back here you got the nice long bench, radius seated seats with the table and a ski tow bar, and this is equipped with a Yamaha 250. Guys, this is a great boat, very clean, only 106 hours with a lot of horsepower. So it's got the lighting package for the cup holders and speakers. Come and check out this Trifecta 23-foot with the wet sound system, 250 Yamaha, cladded arch. We'll have it on our website, up on the MarineMax site. It's at the store here in Greenville, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you guys.